up, my beautiful people? Welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name is Chef Matiko, and if you're new here, thank you for stopping by, and please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm in a very beautiful village, Segovia, and in here is Espinar. Welcome. Today, I'm going to take you through this amazing, beautiful place. The hills, the mountains, everything, and today, most especially, church. We're going to see the church. Stay with me, watch the video until the end, and please consider subscribing, because that is one way of supporting your boy from the village, Kenya. Alright, so we go. Come with me, share, like, and subscribe. Where's the river? Inside. Sí, es muy guapa, te lo juro. I can hear the sound. Lot of horses in this village. Avenida de Don Pedro. The river is called Don Pedro. Huh? Yo también. Can you see the beauty of this place? Espinar, the river, reminds me Africa, the village boy where you used to fetch water, where we actually fetch water until today. So Africa is represented here. Very beautiful river, very beautiful environment. Let's go, keep watching, man. Keep subscribing, keep subscribing. Thank you so much. The sound of the birds reminds me of very beautiful Africa, where I come from, Kenya. You know, it's so nice, so beautiful to be here. And as you can see, this beautiful environment and the river flowing clean water from the mountains. And you hear the sound of the birds, the sound of the river. So I'm showing you this video today because it's one of the amazing videos that I've ever made throughout my journey. So stay with me. Please share the video if you like it, because that is one way of supporting your boy from Africa, Chef Matiko. Many more videos to come, because I bring you more content. That is my work. That is my job, and that's what I'm loving to do. Right? So I've shown you this. Show your friends the beauty of Espinar. Mommy, for how long have you been living here? More than 20 years. You? says she's been living here for more than 20 years. Do you prefer here or Madrid? She prefers here to Madrid. You can see beautiful architecture, beautiful houses. I would like to live here because it's close to the mountain, close to the river. You know, you can hear the sound flowing, right? Wow. You only hear the sound. Who else? You only hear the sound of the birds, the dogs. Wow. So beautiful to hear the sound of animals and birds. You know? Because it makes you relax your minds, the sounds of the birds. I know a lot of people would like such kind of environment. So we're heading to one of the most beautiful places. So come with me. If you've not watched the previous videos, please go watch the videos. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There is the church, and there is where we're heading to. It's a very beautiful church. It has been here from 1700, not 19, 1700. So you can imagine. So let's go in and let's see.
En el nombre del Padre, del Hijo y del Espíritu Santo. Que el Dios de la vida, que ha resucitado a Jesucristo rompiendo las ataduras de la muerte, esté con todos vosotros. Pedimos perdón de nuestros pecados. Tú que te rebajaste incluso a la muerte y has sido levantado sobre todo, Señor, ten piedad. Tú que exaltado a la gloria atraes a todos hacia ti, Cristo, ten piedad. tú que estás sentado a la derecha del Padre para interceder por nosotros. Señor, ten piedad. Que Dios Todopoderoso
Aleluya, aleluya, aleluya. Id y haced discípulos a todos los pueblos, dice el Señor. Yo estoy con vosotros todos los días, hasta el final de los tiempos.
Pon las autoridades y gobernantes para que sirviendo a todos busquen la paz y la justicia por encima de todo afán de poder.
The kids are praying.
Nuestros ojos y nuestro corazón para que completemos la esperanza a la que roguemos así. Por los que se han alejado de la fe, para que recuperen la alegría de sentirse hijos de Dios, roguemos al Señor. Por todos los niños que reciben estos días a Jesús en su primera comunión, para que crezcan cada día en la alegría de seguir a Jesús, roguemos al Señor. Por todos los que trabajan en los medios de comunicación social, para que sean fieles a la verdad y cumplan con su tarea de informar, roguemos al Señor. Por todos nuestros difuntos, roguemos al Señor.
Míranos, Padre, con ojos de misericordia, guíanos para que podamos un día contemplarte cara a cara en el cielo. Por Jesucristo nuestro
So
Señor.
guys, you've seen the church. That was the church, and people are worshiping here. And thank you so much for watching the video until the end. See you next time. My name is Chef Mati.